Let me out!
Smash like to free him.
Let me out!
Smash
Let
like
me
to
out!
free him.
Let me
Smash
out!
like to free
Let
him.
me out!
What the fuck was that? What is going on, you guys? We're doing a quick photo shoot today. I got the car. We're gonna have to clean it up. It's pretty dusty, but I got my Scion armor for that. Use code Toothless for 10% off. God, I can't believe I plugged that this early on. I'm like 15 seconds into the vlog. But roll the intro! Alright, so we're gonna do a quick cold starty here. Here we go. Oh, let's pause Kanye. Hold on, there we go. Jeez. Always puts a smile on my face. If your car doesn't make you smile when you start up, you got the wrong car. Okay, bye-bye. Got some merch right here. We're doing a photo shoot for that today with my boy Luke. He wants to start a media company as well. He's part of Toothless, but he wants to like have his own media company. So if you can think of any cool names for him, comment down below. I just gotta fill the wheels up with some air because they're pretty low right now. And then we will be meeting up at our public school where we actually went to kindergarten together. Me and Luke go way back. I'm just gonna fill up my tires with air and then we'll be going. If you for some reason care about what I keep my PSI on in my car, I keep them around like 40. That just seems to work for me. I know some people with the stretch tires, they go with a lot higher of a PSI. Look at this nice camera angle. Ooh, yeah, I just find 40 is fine. So I just go with that. Here we go. Okay, so we are now driving on our way over there. We got the likewise death grip right here. I'm only vlogging while driving because I'm going 10. Okay, I'm going 20. I'm vlogging on this. Like this is what I'm driving on right now. It's my road. It's an unmarked country road. Technically, the speed limit here by law is actually 80. So I'm going a lot under the speed limit. I don't want to get the car too dusty before. Like I brought all my, oh my God, did I bring all my detailing stuff? Okay, I did. I brought the Scion armor, thank God. Because nothing's worse than a photo shoot with a car when the car is absolutely disgusting. Like there's no point of taking pictures if the car's dirty. But yeah, we'll be there right now. And we are here. We got Luke over there, way over there. Luke! Yo!
Shoot day!
Yeah.
Shoot day. Right.
Oh, Luke, do you think that Holly Walker is a baddie?
I don't know, I've heard some legends of Holly Walker around HL.
Oh my.
Her name is plastered all around HL.
Damn.
Who's that? Who's that?
Does it say Larry?
Larry? Lara?
Larar?
Larar.
Larar James?
Larar XD.
Yo, peep these shoes, guys. Jeez.
I think they're the Kyrie Superfly something. I don't know.
Damn.
Something.
Illuminati. Oh, wait. Transition.
Damn. What are we doing? We're taking some shots for the Toothless Instagram.
Hell yeah.
We got lots of options today.
Okay, I'm excited.
All right, so Ethan's gonna climb. He's gonna try and climb up there, so we can get some shots of him alley-ooping the ball. I don't know. I don't actually know if he can climb out there. He seems pretty confident.
I think I can do it. If I can get 4 likes on this video, I can climb up there.
So I guess we'll find out.
If I don't make it, it's because you guys didn't like enough. But yeah, this is inspired by what is 100% the biggest lie to have ever been posted on Instagram. I'm wearing shorts underneath my pants, but who knows, I still might catch an indecent exposure charge for taking off my pants out of school.
No comment.
No, Vince Carter. Whoa. That's a weird shot. That's a really weird shot. Yo, Luke, can you get me dunking super quick?
All right, ready?
Let me just show my subs what I'm capable of. All you people talking shit in the comments, I'm about to make you shit.
You just got coconut mauled. Share this with all your friends to totally coconut maul them.
One-on-one going on now.
Penny Hardaway versus Vince Carter here.
Vince Carter.
Matchup for the ages. This should be exciting.
Jeremy Lin.
think that jump ball was sick.
Oh yeah, that definitely was.
Dude, you want to actually play half court?
Yeah.
Versus the street?
How does he do this? What a play call by Carter on the corner. 7 all.
Absolute frustration shown here by Hardaway.
Up and under, scoops it in with the left hand. That was sweet. Yes, it was sweet, David. Hardaway. This kid's got talent.
Baseline safe to Hardaway. He'll fire it up with one on the shot clock and hit it away. Oh, Beal down low. Read the double team. Hardaway, hammer time.
Post-game interview here with Pierre McGuire. Luke, how would you say that game went for you?
It was good. We got pucks deep. You know, one battles in the corner.
Nice.
I gotta give thanks to my teammates. They're really working hard. Without them, none of this would be possible. Oh shit. Hawks.
Oh, jeez. Alrighty, right now we are doing a quick Shine Armor shoot. Use code Toothless for 10% off. And we're getting some pics for the gram. Luke, what's this shot like gonna look like?
It's gonna be like a nice close-up. We're gonna get, where's the GoPro there?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some Shine Armor spray on the wheel.
Yeah.
And it's just gonna look clean. It's gonna look nice. As you can see, the wheel already looks nice because we pre-cleaned it.
Oh
With
yeah.
Shine Armor.
Shine Armor, baby.
You just go Toothless for 10%? 10% off.
Hell yeah, thank you, Luke.
Okay, now. Photoshoot is done. We got tons of new content for the Toothless media team. Ethan dunked, believe it or not.
Hell yeah.
Even on the Toothless Instagram, that's exclusive content, only on the Toothless Instagram. Yeah, we'll be back with some more content soon.
If you guys can think of a cool media team name
Oh yeah,
for Luke.
I'm trying to start a media company, but I don't have a name. So go check out the pictures on the Instagram, tell me if you like them, and try and help me with the name, because I don't know.
They will like them. They will 100%
I don't know,
like
I don't
them.
know what to call, but I need a name. So anything you guys can come up with.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to join the Toothless Gang, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, vlog update. It's now another day. I should have had the video up by now, but I needed to make the video longer. So I'm getting Bobo with the boys, Luke and Andrew. These lazy motherfuckers wouldn't drive, and now we got 15 minutes to get there before they close. Smash like if you would fucking drive for the boys, because shit, they won't. I just want bubble tea. I didn't even want it until Luke brought it up, but now he wouldn't drive, and I always end up driving, so.
We're in a race against time here, folks. We got 23 minutes until Boba closes. Will we make it, Ethan, to Boba?
I don't know. Maybe if you would have driven earlier.
Ethan is stressed, or we were all too stubborn, but Ethan came.
I drove last time. I had to move 4 cars to be able to get this car out to drive.
I'll drive next time.
Cap.
We got to Rude.
Just got to Rude.
Oh my god, did you get that? Did you get
I think
that?
I got half it. Oh my god! Rude! We made it!
I need money. Someone give me a wallet.
Give him money.
Okay. What size do you guys want? What size do you guys want?
Angela.
What size do you guys want?
How big are they?
Just large, medium, or small? Tell me. Just whatever. 30 large.
I never wanted boba. I'm paying for
I'm so excited.
Thank you to Rude for the mask.
Ew. Sus.
You can keep it.
We got the chat time. Luke, this one's yours. Oh.
Damn.
Oh.
You got the honey sub. Shout out Angela for the recommendation. Never had it before.
You should
First
totally frick Luke.
You can't put that in the box.
This is what I got for me and Darude.
Sus.
It is some sort of mango tea with
That was
a
fun.
passion fruit jelly. And I'm a pretty passionate person myself, so I figured that would be good for us. And
What
plus,
type of boba did you get?
we got passion fruit jelly.
No, but
they didn't
what is
have
that?
popping boba.
What's a jelly?
I don't know. What did you get? I got you the same thing as me.
Oh, that looks cool.
It honestly does look pretty blessed.
Yeah. Lossing
Is it gas?
is a gas.
Whoa.
Should I try mine?
It's like tea.
Yeah, it's bubble tea.
I didn't
fucking tell
No, it's boba. What do you?
Is it good?
Dude, I was not expecting that jelly.
What does the jelly taste like?
It like came up like a thick loogie.
Ew.
What is up, guys? It's baddie hunting with the boys. I replied to her story, damn, who's that Instagram baddie? She replies back, 'tis I. So we've collectively brainstormed and decided I have to send a medieval voice message back. So somebody got that like classic medieval like music in the background.
Okay,
Like, that, like
okay.
proper,
Nice,
like,
nice, nice.
and I'll be, and then we're going all out. Because we
Medieval
know that the shorties love effort. Men, if you're out there and you're not putting in effort, you gotta be putting in
Damn,
the effort.
everyone's trying to listen to medieval music.
Nice. Okay,
Relaxing,
wow.
middle-aged, medieval.
10 hours.
Look at that guy.
10 hours split it on three.
Damn. Oh my eyes deceiving me.
The finest Instagram baddie in all the land.
What's the script? What are we going with here,
I'll
boys?
start off with my heavens. Are my eyes deceiving me?
Like send that and then do another one.
My heavens, are my eyes deceiving me? Is that voice?
You sound like Borat.
My heavens.
My heavens,
How
my.
do you do a British accent? I'm horrible
Just say
at
it.
this.
Just my heavens.
My heavens.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
like more
British.
Drink some of the tea and then get into that mindset.
Get the jelly in your
tea.
throat.
Okay, that is not very posh of you.
This is what I need.
Really? Listen to that.
The reason I put on
that
the
ad
glasses is because when Easy
Still the same ad?
first started his record career,
Stop.
he put the glasses on in the studio. So that's what I'm doing right now, but I'm using that technique to slide into
So many ads, I can't
MILF's
get away from it.
DMs. My heavens, doth thou my eyes forsaken thee?
Okay, you gotta send another one.
My heavens, doth thou my eyes forsaken thee? My heavens, doth thou my eyes forsaken thee? Thou art the finest shorty of all of the land. Thou wouldst travel to the farthest lands, a fortnight, slay all of thy dragons, just for a simple dinner with thee. Tell the vlog.
I'm gonna get caught looking sus.
Oh, it's gotta like save it for when like he actually has a shorty.
Yeah, but what about the boy? Pretty much all of the viewers are men. I can put up the statistics right here.
Let's go,
Help
boys.
the brothers out.
Alright, I got a really sexy song that I want to show the boys.
What is it?
It's super chill, it's that first one. Well, I don't really want to show the boys, but Mild Orange in the album
nice.
Foreplay.
We're not allowed to show you guys because copyrighted music, and we haven't gotten monetized yet because you guys haven't been hitting subscribe. Do your part, do better, okay? And yeah, boys,
Check out this song.
check out that song if you're trying to frick. Subscribe to Toothless. The gang grows every day. Look at this slide setup. 3 stories. It's insane. Look at Luke absolutely dying over here. Help me. No. No. Look at the slide. Imagine being like 5. I'm good, baby. I'm baby. Okay.
Ow, my head.
Oh shit. Can you see us? I don't know.
You're good. You're good.
I'm Facing the right way.
Oh shit.
Huge knee injury.
Serious damage.
Dude, it doesn't look bad, guys.
Comment down below.
Smash like and I'll be okay. Smash like, do it. Do it. Hit the like button. He needs it. Oh, they hit the like button. I'm okay.
Ethan, I've got you off so many times.
You're casping. Oh my god. Yo, the boys are trying to get me off right now. I feel like this is the perfect time for me to tell you guys about FATLACE. So FATLACE is actually the sponsor of this video, and if you use code Toothless, you can get 10% off. So everybody, go check that out, get a cool hat like this one, and the boys will never be able to get you off again. That's a good ad. Oh, it's dizzy if you look at everything else going on.